You know that the other people who are smoking are envious that you are a non-smoker, because deep down, every single smoker out there wants to quit. We all know the health benefits of being a non-smoker. Being able to exercise more regularly and with more energy. Imagine now being in perfect health. Your teeth are white and free from the stains of cigarettes. Cigarettes and vapes no longer control your life. You are in control. Breathe in deeply and slowly now as you relax more and more. Imagine now moving about with joy, no longer looking for a pack of cigarettes or wondering where your vape is. So much time in your life has been freed up because you simply don't smoke or vape. You sleep more deeply and more restfully. When you wake up in the morning, you are clear and fresh, ready for a new day. You enjoy the benefit of saving money. You no longer need to run to the store to get a pack of cigarettes or a refill for your vaporizer. You enjoy drinking fresh, crisp water. Drinking water is your new habit. You crave crisp water. Each day that passes by where you don't smoke